Oh, I'm never eating another.
So hopefully we ditch them for a bit. And now I need to figure out how to make a new wrap.
It can't withstand this new dose.
I'm sorry. I'm just so hungry.
Well, now that you mention...
What's wrong, old friend? Can't sleep? Oh, would some warm beer settle you down? Uh-oh. Those barley burgers were tainted! Why did I eat 12 of them?
Bah! Did it 'cause I love you?
I'm so hungry. But I work hard. I've earned it. Let's be bad. Oh, I don't feel so good. Is it guilt? Nope, not guilt. Ah, my stomach.
I need chocolate.
Looks like it's time to be born.
Special. Oh, me too. I'm starving. Not starving anymore.
Before. So hungry.
Hungry.
I just got really hungry.
Boggo, please. You know what dairy does to you.
I didn't realize how cruel people could be.
Seriously wrong. Look at it.
I have a dairy allergy. Oh, me today.
Stomach heating up. I think I'm having explosive diarrhea.